So my husband bought a run chicken door for the chickens. Let's see, he bought it probably a year ago. I'm going to get this installed. So I got my hat on, I'm ready to go. Okay, so first thing first, here we go. Babe, I'm gonna go install the chicken door. I'm gonna go put the chicken door in.
You gonna go put the chickens away?
No, I'm gonna go put that door in that you bought. Gonna go cut the hole in the door.
What are you doing?
All right, so I just cut the little hole out and I just put it in. Okay, all right. I'll be outside. Okay. Next, wait for him to come out. Okay, step 2. While he's thinking about me cutting a hole in the chicken door, which probably wouldn't be a good thing, I'm gonna go get all the tools that we'll need. That way he won't be too upset. I know there's like a basketball tournament or something on today. So, all right. Okay, so first off, my husband is a no-nonsense kind of guy. So I have to make sure I have everything. These have the little screwdriver bits in them. We're gonna need those. Okay, to cut the hole in the door, we're gonna need this. Okay, so it goes bzzz. Okay, so we'll get that. I put it in a bucket because we're gonna need a bucket. I don't know, it's what I carry everything in. Okay, we have to have a level so that the little chicken door will go up and down and it's not like going sideways. So, okay, I have that. In order to start the hole in the door, we're gonna need a drill bit. So I have the drill bits. We'll probably use this one or this one. Yeah. Or I will if he doesn't make it outside. Okay, and we're gonna need this. This is what you're gonna put the drill bit in and the little, the screwdriver bit. And so you can just right into the door. Okay, gotta use that. I think that's about everything. Now I just have to get it carried up there. Anyway, it's not really gonna be too difficult because it doesn't require a lot of tools. I made sure and brought a Sharpie out, and I have a manual screwdriver. I think that's everything. If he doesn't come out, I just do it myself. All right, girl power, yay! So I'll just show you, because yeah, he came out. So this, we had to measure up from here to make sure that, you know, we didn't try and cut through this. So we had to have just above this. As you can see, I took my pretty little silver Sharpie that I brought down. Here it is. I had to be up from here because that's where the board comes across. So anyway, I took it over here and then I drew a line all the way across the door because I didn't know exactly where he would want to make his hole. I needed to cut out this portion, not this portion, because this is where the door goes up. So he had me measure in each place here. It was 10 by 7/8 and 7 7/8. So we just measured it. Okay, first off, in order to even get that blade into the door, you take a nice big drill bit, and we started in the corner, and the corner here, corner. Look at that. That was easy, right? So first, we got this. Then, and then took this out. We've got that. As soon as he was done cutting and told me, okay, good luck, it's up to you now. So I took that challenge. I can do this. And so now I'm going to just line this up. I'll just use a tiny drill bit and start the holes for the screws, and then I'll just screw it in and it'll be ready to go. I am not afraid. I can do this. Girl power. We can do this. Gotta get going though, because the chickens are gonna be wanting to go to bed and I'm gonna be out here messing around. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so first thing, I have to remove this drill bit, and I've already gotten this one out, this little tiny one. So I'll put it, whoopsies, I'll put it, oh hello, there you go. Okay. And back it back out. Okay. So now I have this screwdriver bit I'm going to put in. Take my drill bit out. Get my screw put in there. Now remember, you don't want to put the screw in all the way. They said to leave it out a little bit. So we'll do that. Things back. Okay, I'm putting that back. It's a 1/16. The really big drill bit, it was 1/2 inch with a 3/8 inch reduced shank. So put that back in there. And I'll put that in my bucket so I can take that back home. Got my Sharpie.
It's not really quite straight, but I don't think the chickens will notice. It'll be fine.
Okay. Also, I want to point out, see how the screw heads are not quite all the way in? That's what they said in the directions, so I left them out a little. We'll see how it works. Okay, so I'm just now finishing installing the run chicken door. I just opened up the back. It already had the batteries in it. Okay, so I'm just tightening up this screw here. Okay, I think that's it. Now, as long as this works okay, then I can take all these tools back. Let's see how this goes. A little bit. Check that out. Yes. Look at that. Oh, that's great. Oh, that's awesome. Now I need to set it up. Okay, I'm actually going to pair this with my phone. First thing you want to do is go to your app store. Mine's Apple. And you're going to go to Run Chicken. Okay, you're going to look for this picture. You're going to, well, you're going to get it. I've already gotten mine. So then it opens up to this. The door comes factory installed for the light sensor for sunrise and sunset, but you can actually go in here and go to timer, which that's what I'm going to do for the close. For the closing option, I'm going to hit timer. And then you have 2100
I'm actually going to have it at 1945. Okay, done. Now we're going to go down to the coop and we're going to pair this with the door. As soon as you get down to your coop, after you have all of this set the way that you want, you hold it toward the light on your run door and it will program it. So anyway, let's go down to the coop and go ahead and program it. Okay, so we're down here at the run chicken door, and the first thing they say to do is there's a button under here. It's right here, tiny little button. Press that. Press that. You're gonna watch the light. There's the green, there's the red, there's the blue. Okay, I'm gonna hit it one more time. We're gonna hit start programming. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna hold that against this light.
If the programming worked, the light sensor will turn green and a beeping sound will play.
Well, we'll see if the chickens even use that. Hopefully they will. Puppy's waiting for me. All right, come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh, look, there's somebody now. Oh, she went right through it. Well, thank you for that. Thank you, little chick. Like, I wasn't exactly sure whether I could get a hole cut in the door, like, properly, or... Anyway, I didn't want to ruin our coop, but at least I was willing to try. So, I don't know. I think I could do all sorts of things. My next project is I'm going to make waterers. Silly. That's the project for today. She went right in.